Today, we're making a super realistic Mr. Beast mask. You'll definitely love the result. When we were filming with the finished mask, people in the park were excitedly shouting, "Mr. Beast!" Watch the video till the end, and I'll be happy to share the DIY template with you. This is a skin from Fortnite, and no, it's not the mask we'll be making. That skin is pretty cool, but I'll be making a more accurate mask. I spent several days developing it, and in this video, we won't be going through the entire development process. Instead, I'll show you the design I've already completed. We'll be using a polygonal papercraft style. If this is your first time, don't worry. I'll show you how to do it easily, and you'll be able to do it too. I'm using the most expensive Italian cardboard, just like I did for these masks. I print directly on the cardboard using a photo printer. There are many types of glue, but the most convenient for this is hot glue. It forgives mistakes and makes everything very easy. To fix any errors, just use a hairdryer. So let's score the lines to make cutting and folding easier. The assembly steps are indicated by large numbers, while the gluing points are marked with small numbers. It's simple. You can see how our amazing mask is taking shape. Just a few more touches. And finally, we'll glue in the head ring.
What we do here is go back.
By the way, the mask offers good visibility and is easy to breathe in. It's universal and fits everyone. Thank you for watching. Give a like if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to the channel. And let's continue together.